vocabulary chart. Bag, bag, bag. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Books, books, books. Crayons, crayons, crayons. Ruler, ruler, ruler. Desk, desk, desk. Book, book, book. Notebook, notebook, notebook. Stapler, stapler, stapler. Sharpener, sharpener, sharpener. Glue stick, glue stick, glue stick. Scissors, scissors, scissors. Paper clip, paper clip, paper clip. Crayon, crayon, crayon. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Apple, apple, apple. Paper, paper, paper. Chalkboard, chalkboard, chalkboard. Boy, boy. Girl, girl. School, school, school. Globe, globe, globe. Chair, chair, chair. Pencils, pencils, pencils.